Good morning, gearheads. Welcome back to the workshop. I'm going to be doing a quick overview of our plug-in press kit, which is a small, lightweight, cost-effective kit that we sell that is really to be able to supplement the rest of your IFAK. It's something cheap. You can throw it in your car, in your backpack. It's lightweight, and it just gives you a little bit more capability for dealing with traumatic injuries, and it's very cost-effective. Sometimes tourniquets and Israeli bandages and chest wound seals can get quite expensive. This is a bit of a bare bones kit that we recommend everyone have, and it's cheap enough that you can buy multiple. I'll bring you in a bit closer and show you some of the contents. So here we are, here's the kit. I've already opened this one up, but this is what it looks like from the outside. Quite a slim vacuum packed kit. You can slide it in a lot of places, very easy to get into. It has already pre-notched openings, so you can just rip it open with your hands and dump out the contents. No need of using a knife or anything that's going to delay. These are the contents. Also, it's labeled plug-in press kit, just in case you didn't know. There's a number 4 and 2 number 3's first aid dressings. These have quite an amount of gauze on them, and then of course the elastic bandage as well. So it does allow you to put a little bit of pressure on. Not quite a tourniquet, but really you can get a lot of pressure using these 3. There is a large set of gloves, emergency blanket, help protect from shock, a CPR mask, and then what we often get questions on, this is a chest wound seal. Quite a bare-boned, lightweight one. It just has a sticky side here, and then a hole that you place over the wound, and it'll allow air to escape, but it will not allow air to come in, and that way it acts as a one-way valve. But it's also extremely lightweight, and as a result, the whole kit is lightweight. Lightweight, thin, easy to pack around, and that way you can always have it when you need it. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us at TheQuarterMaster. If not, see you next time.